So this is US oil analysis for Friday, 28th of September. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the US oil, we've had prices coming towards the 72.39, brief rallies above. We've not been able to get towards the 72.88 again. Coming towards the 72.39 again, we've encountered resistance, and more recently do appear to be having that sell side momentum return to the markets at that 72.39 level. So if we do see a breakdown from this 72.39, very next level of note is possibly looking for a move down towards that 71.50, successful break from which we're then looking for price down towards that 70.79 here. I suppose you should probably put that we'll just put it as 70 put the 71.50 on the chart. So if we do see a breakdown from this 71.50, we're looking for a move down towards that 70.79. If there is a quite volatile day here on the US oil, we may just see price head down towards that $70 barrel mark on the US oil. If, however, we do see this continued trend here to the upside on the US oil, and this is merely a consolidation on the US oil, if we do see a break back above 72.39, we're looking for a move up towards that 72.88. If we don't encounter major resistance in around 72.88, the very next level of note here to the upside would possibly be a move up towards that 73.31, successful break from which then we're looking for our highs of 2018 so far in around that $75 barrel mark here on the US oil. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts, see our price are developing, get the scale line here correct. So on US oil, we do have our lows, we have higher lows, a high low still. We've had this accelerated momentum to the upside. We've come in towards the 72.39. We've gone into this consolidation. Not seen a breakdown. The previous trend here is pretty clear. It has been bullish, so we're still in this consolidation at present. So if we can break out this consolidation to the upside with greater degree of momentum, possibly may see our old highs here of the highs of 2018 so far tested in around that $75 barrel mark. Now, there is a possibility of encountering major resistance around 72.88 or 73.31. If that is the case, there is a possibility of putting in a bit of a head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish chart pattern here on the US oil. And if that is the case, and we do see a breakdown from 72.88 or 73.31, possibly looking for a retracement back down towards that 64.75 here on the US oil. If we do see a head and shoulders pattern play itself out here on this market from a daily chart point of view. And with that said, the only alternative is if we do trade through those levels, the 72.88 and 73.31, very next level of note is pretty clear. It's this high from these are highs of 2018 so far in around $75 a barrel mark. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.